In this video, I want to demonstrate how to make a circular feature pattern as shown here. So first, I'm going to Control Tab back to my other part. And from the Features ribbon, I'm going to choose the drop-down arrow below Linear Pattern and then tell I want to make a circular pattern. Notice how this selection field is highlighted. So SOLIDWORKS is saying go ahead and select what features you wish to pattern. I'm going to expand the feature tree. Now I can choose the features from the feature tree or out here in the graphics area. So I want to pattern the rib. And before I go any further, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say I want to do 4 instances equally spaced 360 degrees apart. And for the direction or the axis, I have several options. I'm going to click in this cell. I can choose the OD of the part, or if I right click and clear that selection, I can come over to the all-seeing eye, expand it and say show me temporary axis and click in white space, and I can see the axis here of my Boss Extrude, and I can select that as the pattern axis as well. Now that I've selected an axis, we get a preview. So if I say OK, I'll only pattern the rib. I also want to pattern the 2 fillets. So once I add the full round fillet, we can see how the preview changes. And then when I add the face fillet, again, we can see the preview update. So I'll say OK, and there I have my part. If I double click on it, the 360 degrees will show up and the instance count. Like any SOLIDWORKS feature, if I double click on the instance count, I can now change it. I could make this 5 and rebuild it, and there'll be 5 equally spaced instances. So I'll set that back to 4. I'll rebuild it, and then I'll save my work.